Welcome to Diamond Reef Estate, built on 10 acres of lush property on Great Camanoe, a private island in the British Virgin Islands. Situated on the southern shore, the estate features 600 feet of prime waterfront with private beach, swimming dock, and direct access to the beautiful Diamond Reef, where excellent swimming and snorkeling awaits you in the dazzling turquoise water of the BVI. The most positive aspect of living on Camanoe is the absolute privacy and self-sufficiency that is no longer available on the other islands. The earliest settlers of Camanoe date back to the Quaker era, and you can still find some of the ruins living protected in the gardens of the estate. The house was built in 1969 by Dr. Upjohn Light of the existing Upjohn Pharmaceutical Company, and the current owners purchased the house 12 years ago. Though its sturdy stone walls and floors are original, the present owners refurbished the entire property to its current status as a timeless estate. The main house is connected to the master suite via a breezeway that serves as a perfect breakfast nook with beautiful morning views. The 45-foot reception room, or great room, with its soaring ceiling, wooden trusses, and elegant furnishings, invites one to relax after a day in the sun. The kitchen is the support for the two large terraces for protected courtyard dining with beautiful ocean views. Passing the breezeway to the master suite, you'll find a private outdoor shower, very handy after a swim in the ocean. Venturing inside the master suite, you'll find a cozy sitting room, marble bathroom with his and her sinks and shower, and also wonderful views of the ocean and islands outside. There is nothing outdated in the house in terms of its fittings or furnishings. Running throughout the property are antiques, hand-carved sculptures, and artifacts from the sea of yesteryear and today. The master suite features a breathtaking view of the sea outside and overlooks the new resort at Scrub Island and also Marina Key, both just minutes away. The estate also has a separate wing that features a guest bedroom and a private office with internet and satellite communications. Living on the Diamond Reef Estate is to live within the island and letting go of the pressures of the outside world. It is your choice when to reconnect. Down another stone walkway is the guest house, self-contained with a kitchenette, living dining room, bedroom and bath, and additional outside shower. In the courtyard is a fireplace for warmth and quiet reflection. The bedroom and living room lead to a terrace overlooking the private swim dock and Coconut Grove and a beautiful view of the ocean and distant islands. The best way to explore the vast gardens of the property is by following the stone walkways that join the houses together and lead to the beautiful private beach with your own swimming dock. Extra features include a newly built garage with a golf cart, Land Rover, and minibus. Also included are a workshop and studio, generator room, staff facilities, and a greenhouse. A separate building on site facilitates a freshwater cistern and a full desalination plant for producing potable water from the sea. You'll also be very happy to meet our full-time staff here at Diamond Reef, and they're always on hand to help you maintain and look after everything and all your needs. Transportation to and from the island is by boat, and the airport at Trellis Bay is only 5 minutes away. There are 2 boats provided with Diamond Reef Estate, a Glacier Bay 2670 Power Cat with twin 130 horsepower Honda outboards, and also an open deck Boston Whaler with 115 horsepower outboard. And you can keep both of them right here at the community dock. Welcome to Camanoe, island-style living at its best.